Hi, thanks for coming back to this channel to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. The ticking that you hear is the Haunted Mansion Disneyland clock, and I feel like I have to say it only because somebody asked what the ticking was in a video where I didn't mention it. So that's why I say it now every time in my videos, so you know what it is. I do have my front door open, so hopefully nothing will drive by while I'm filming, so I will try and do this as quickly as I can. So I'm going to show you what I did the past week, so it's going to be a quick flip through. And then I didn't really plan anything for this week other than decorate it with washi, but you'll see that. This is my Hobonichi cousin, Hobonichi Weeks, Michael's zipped planner. This is my A6 Techo, and in here I have the A6 weekly supplement. So once again, we'll start off with my cousin. You can see how chunky it's gotten. We'll go to the weekly layout. I've gone back to going really simple. Washi tape on the bottom, since I'm expecting packages, that's on my left hand side. Dark ink to emphasize the hours. And then as I'm doing things, I will write them down to the corresponding hour. Hopefully that car wasn't too loud. This is for the last week of September. This was last week. And then before that, I was putting in page tabs to use up my page tabs because I have a lot. When you go to Daiso, it's hard not to buy anything. It's hard to go there and just look. You have to buy things. So that's what these look like. And though I do like using up my page tabs because I do have a lot, it's also nice to just do this. So in case you don't have page tabs, a lot of stickers, this is how you can do your weekly layout. And just go this simple. And just put a little washi tape, because you can pick that up at Michael's, or I think at Joann's. I think they sell this kind of stuff. And just decorate really simply. So that's how I'm doing this. And then in my daily pages, I'm still putting in, printing out photos with my Canon Selphy. So I don't have anything there. I did sign up, as I mentioned in my last video, for Merriam-Webster's Word of the Day via email. So they send you a word a day. And so I've been writing them down. Printed out photos again on my Canon Selphy. So this is Bruce and a stray cat outside. For those of you who bought the Hobonichi paper book, this is once again how I did it. And you can see the tape so that it's on the page and you can flip it. That is a close-up photo of an Asian tiger mosquito. That sucker is running rampant here in Southern California and biting like crazy during the day. And that's what my cousin daily pages look like. We will go now to the zipped planner, Michael's. They no longer make this. As I said in my last video, they came out with this, I want to say 2 or 3 years ago, and they didn't even sell inserts for this thing. So this is the original insert tab, and couldn't find it, so then I just bought the Michael's inserts for their 6-ring binder. So I'm using this as my meal tracker, fitness, vitamins. Really, really simple, other than the washi tape decoration on the bottom, and then my vitamins on the side, and then miscellaneous stickers that I may have. Tracking on top. I do the takeout up here on the blank. So let me show you a blank one. And then you need to fill in the days. So for me, I put the takeouts over here. And it's been working really good. And this is what I plan to use for 2021. Keep going. And then with my Hobonichi Weeks, which I was originally using as my fitness, meals, exercise tracker, And as you can see, I was not consistent with keeping track. I mean, I did have some good weeks where I did, but towards the end, started puttering out. Wasn't feeling it. So then I decided to try to use it as like a daily planner. I do have a Michael's Recollection, which I should bring that out next time. I'll try and include that in my next video. I've been using that one to mark down how I'm using my days, what I'm doing, bills paid, and I've been indicating it on those days. So instead of buying that next year, I thought I'd try it in my weeks. So, and it's working. So bills paid, mail, and then again, not shy with stickers or the washi tape. And I kind of like it. At one time, I did have an Etsy shop, which is why I have so many stickers that I need to use up. I no longer have my Etsy shop. So I need to, again, go through my own stickers, which is why I am not shy with my stickers. So this is where we are this week. Expecting packages, and then I need to do my day. That's my weeks. In here, once again, I have my A6 weekly supplemental. And in case this is your first video with me, in here I have my blank A6 Hobonichi notebook. This is the weekly supplement right here. This is the printable that I bought from Etsy that I printed out. And then this is the address book right there. So let's go to this week, which is right here. I am not shy with the stickers or the washi. This is an abbreviated look of my week compared to my recollections, which again, if I remember, I will bring it next week so I can share with you. So you can see the difference between that one and then this one. So this is last week's. And I have a lot of washi tape, so trying to use all that up too. And then I made the little stickers on top to mark the days. So this is my weekly supplement. It's light enough to carry if you want to in your purse on a daily basis. And the last thing I'm going to show you, just the monthly layout part, is my A6 Techo. I use this as my daily diary. And the monthly portion of the book for the Techo, I've been using it as a gratitude highlight of the day sort of thing. So this is this month. I don't really like the washi that I picked for October, so I may have to pull that up and put something else down if I can. This is for September, and in case you're wondering, I put down gray watercolor because we had the, what was it called, the Bobcat fire a few weeks ago, and it was close, and so when the smoke, Santa Ana's, when they sort of changed the way that they were blowing, it blew it down into where we live. So it was really bad for almost a week, but for 3 days it was really cloudy and it was raining ash. So when you're inside the house and you look out, you go, oh, it's a nice fall day, it looks really cool, and then you step outside and it was hot as an oven. It really, breathing was bad, and again, it was just raining ash and awful. So that's what that is. August, and then July with the COVID thing, wasn't into it, so there were just days that I didn't do it. This is June, and I'm okay with it. I'm not going to go back and try to fill those in, even though I did diary on those days. I just don't want to go back through those pages to try and find a happy moment, because there probably wasn't one. So yep, this is how I used my planners for this past week. And in these two, you saw how I sort of decorated for this week. I'm probably not going to put out another video until next week or the week after. I am expecting a Happy Planner Disney package. Happy Planner and Disney did a collaboration, and I didn't buy any of the planner stuff, but I did buy the sticker books because you can't say no to a sticker. So I will do an unboxing of that. I only bought 3, I think. Yeah, 3 books. So I will have that to share with you. And yeah, so that's it. If you liked the video, please give it a like. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more, subscribe. And then if there's anything specific that you want to see, I guess just make a comment below and I can try and make it for you. But that's it. I hope you have a good week, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.